It's bordered by the Arctic. Welcome to this exciting journey through Europe's location and physical features. Let's dive deep into the wonders of this fascinating continent. Europe, location, physical features. 1. Europe's strategic location. Europe is a relatively small continent, yet it holds immense geographical and historical importance. It's bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the west, and the Mediterranean Sea in the south, which separates Europe from Africa. Its eastern boundary with Asia is defined by the Ural Mountains and the Ural River. Did you know? The name Mediterranean means middle of the world. Ancient Europeans believed this sea was the center of everything they knew. 2. Physical features of Europe. Europe's landscape is a diverse mix of mountains, plains, rivers, peninsulas, and islands. The Alps, these iconic snow-capped mountains stretch across multiple countries like France, Switzerland, and Italy. They're a heaven for skiing and mountaineering. The Caucasus Mountains, forming the southern boundary of Europe, these towering ranges lie between the Caspian and Black Seas. Plains. Eastern Europe boasts vast plains, stretching across Russia, Ukraine, and Poland. These fertile lands are excellent for farming but endure harsh winters with heavy snowfall. Rivers. Europe's rivers are lifelines for trade and agriculture. The Volga, the continent's longest river, flows into the Caspian Sea, while the Rhine connects several industrial hubs to the North Sea, boosting intercontinental trade. 3. Peninsulas and islands. Europe's coastline is deeply jagged, creating peninsulas and islands. Italy, a boot-shaped peninsula surrounded by the Mediterranean. Scandinavian Peninsula, home to Norway and Sweden, known for fjords and natural beauty. Fjords are long, deep, narrow inlets of the sea between high cliffs or steep slopes, typically formed by the submersion of a glaciated valley. They are commonly found in Norway, New Zealand, and Iceland. Great Britain, an island nation with a rich maritime history. These peninsulas and islands have historically relied on sea routes for trade and exploration, given the challenges of traveling through Europe's mountainous terrain. 4. Climate, a tale of winds and currents. Europe enjoys diverse climatic influences. Westerlies, winds from the Atlantic Ocean bring mild, moist air, particularly to Western Europe, causing light showers throughout the year. Gulf Stream, a warm ocean current ensures that coastal waters of Western Europe don't freeze in winter, supporting fishing and shipping industries. Mediterranean climate. Southern Europe experiences rainy winters and dry summers, ideal for growing olives, grapes, and figs. 5. Four seasons and agriculture. Unlike India's 3 seasons, Europe experiences 4 distinct seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Winter, snow blankets the mountains and plains. Crops are dormant, and days are short. Spring, nature awakens with fresh green leaves, flowers, and plowing of fields. Summer, crops mature, and long days with mild sunlight are perfect for agriculture. Autumn, leaves turn golden and fall, and harvests wrap up. Fun fact, Northern Europe's summer days are so long that in some places, the sun doesn't set, hence, they're called the land of the midnight sun. 6. Land utilization and agriculture. Europe's plains and river valleys are fertile and receive consistent rainfall, making them ideal for agriculture. Wheat, the staple crop grown in France, Germany, and Russia. Fruits, Southern Europe's Mediterranean climate makes it famous for grapes, oranges, and olives. Countries like Norway and Holland face land shortages. The Dutch reclaim land from the sea by building dikes, creating polders for cultivation. 7. Discovery of sea routes and trade. Europe's proximity to the seas has been a boon for exploration and trade. Ancient sailors ventured to Asia for silk, spices, and gems. Columbus' famous voyage in 1492 led to the discovery of the Americas.